G'day guys, so check it out. Yeah, I'm busy building the cover for the engine. As you can see, the two brown piece metals there, and I'll show you other piece now. Yeah, I'm also welding another piece for more strength there also, so I'm busy with that. And there's the series 3 also. We're starting to put the mud corners of the sides on the wheel arches, sorry. So we're busy on it also. So two projects is continuing. And as you can see here inside the forward control, I've done the seats also. The frames for them is finished. So the actual seats, that the cushions will be in here very soon as well, so stay tuned.